Hey guys, so today I have to go to a party and this is my outfit. This is my final look. I have to go to a baby shower at a relative's place. It's a low key party. The roads look empty today because it's Sunday, but the weather is sunny. It's considered auspicious to bring sweets from the sweet shop during a baby shower, so I got 1 kilo of laddus. I went to the counter and I'm getting the receipt from the shopkeeper. I gave him the money and he gave me the receipt. There is not much happening on the road, not a lot of activities. It's Sunday, so people might be relaxing. Maybe there will be a crowd in the evening. And here I want to tell you one thing, that this is my college, and whenever I pass by this college, it makes me feel nostalgic. The metro station work is going on, so there's a lot of crowd in Agra, and that's why I booked a cab. As I was saying, see, I got stuck in a traffic jam. Here it took us about 10 minutes in traffic. My relatives started calling me, asking where I was, and I was explaining to them that I was stuck in traffic and it would take me about 10 minutes from here. A lot is happening, it's lively right now. I have reached my relative's house and I have to end my vlog to respect their privacy. Let me show you a glimpse of the baby shower and I'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.